As we grow older, our teeth lose their natural shine and become dull. But you don't have to spend money by visiting the dentist to get your white and shiny teeth, because we have easy and best methods in today's video about 10 ways to whiten your teeth at home. Excited? So let's start with number 10, coconut oil pulling. An easy home remedy to make your teeth white is coconut oil pulling, which removes the plaque and bacteria from your mouth. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in your mouth and swish for about 10 to 20 minutes. After that, spit it in the sink, wash your hands, and then brush your teeth. But don't swallow the oil, as it contains the bacteria from your mouth. Try to shop for high-quality organic oil. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Okay, so it is the easily available product in anyone's home, especially who wants to lose weight. A small amount of apple cider vinegar can be used to whiten your teeth. Take 6 ounces of water and add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Swish it for 30 seconds. Then, wash your mouth and brush your teeth. Besides all this, we have a warning for you, as it has the potential to damage the hardness and surface structure of teeth. So, use it for a short amount of time with great caution. Number 8. It is believed that citric acid present in some citrus fruit peels will help to whiten your teeth. Slightly rub the fruit peels on your teeth for about a minute. After that, rinse out and brush your teeth. People who have tea or smoking stains on teeth can also apply this formula. However, use this method with care and keep on checking the sensitivity of your teeth. Number 7. Activated charcoal. Here comes the easiest way to whiten your teeth. Crush the 1 capsule of charcoal in a powder and put it on your brush. Now, brush your teeth gently. If you are not comfortable with it, then make a charcoal mouthwash. Mix the powder with a small amount of water. You can observe the results within 4 weeks. It is one of the inexpensive ways to whiten your teeth. Number 6. Lemon juice and baking soda. We all know that lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which has a bleaching effect on teeth. Then why not use it with a mild abrasive item? Let's have a baking soda, which is easily available at homes for baking purposes. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with baking soda and stir it to make a thin paste. Apply the paste for 2 minutes with your toothbrush. It will be helpful to remove the stains. Number 5. Strawberry paste. Do you ever think that yummy, ripe red strawberry can help you get white teeth? Yes, we also didn't know this before. It is the simple task of all. Mash the ripe strawberries with a spoon and make a paste. Then, brush your teeth with strawberry paste for a few minutes. Ready yourself to get rid of yellow stains. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. If you are going to use hydrogen peroxide, then make sure your teeth are not too sensitive. It is a bleaching agent and can help you to remove plaque buildup and bacteria to get rid of stains. Take a cotton swab and dip it into peroxide. Now, gently rub your teeth. Follow our tip by making a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Use it for 2 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. But don't use it frequently, as it can harm your enamel. Now, it's time to guess our next pick. Have you ever tasted the powdered milk? If not, then try it once. We bet you its milky taste will make you crazy. But what will be the taste if we mix it with toothpaste? Not bad. We will catch your thoughts on the top 3, but first subscribe to Inside 10s and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with us. Now, let's check out number 3. Powdered milk and toothpaste. Powdered milk is loaded with nutrients and calcium, which helps in our teeth growth. It also helps to whiten your teeth. Mix it with your toothpaste and brush your teeth. You will notice the milky effect and healthy teeth. If you want to taste the powdered milk, then you can, because it's super yummy. Number 2. Turmeric powder paste. Turmeric can easily be available at your home, as it is the most common spices used in our daily dishes. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that are important for teeth health. Turmeric can remove stains on teeth and make your teeth whiter. Mix the turmeric powder with water. Apply the paste on teeth with a brush for 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth water. Now, you can check out the good results. Number 1. Essential Oils Homemade Toothpaste. The combination of baking soda and coconut oil is preferred to remove plaque. Their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties are helpful while removing bacteria, stains, and plaque from teeth. For homemade toothpaste, take baking soda, organic coconut oil, peppermint oil, spearmint essential oil, and cinnamon bark oil. Mash the mixture to make it paste, and then brush your teeth regularly. Prepare yourselves for effective results. Ta-da! We've given you all the best homemade remedies to whiten your teeth. Choose the best ones and rotate them throughout the week. Try out any of the tips and let us know in the comments about your experience. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Inside Tens and activate the bell icon to get all the alerts for our next amazing videos. And now, check out our right and left videos on your screen. See ya!